Before there was time, before there was anything, there was nothing. And before there was nothing, there were monsters.
What's going on, y'all? How y'all been? How y'all been? I'm going to record this intro now because I know that if I go to the car meet and try to record this intro, it's going to be extremely loud and dark because I realized that in my recent videos. But first, I want to say though, my fault for the late uploads. I know it's been like it's been like three or 4 weeks actually. My fault. I've been working and I haven't really got enough clips. You know what I'm saying? So I didn't want to like post like 3-4 minute videos. Like that's not, you know what I'm saying? Like there's no point of me posting those. Like maybe post it like on my Instagram, which you should go follow. Good. But yeah, man, I'm gonna leave in like an hour or 2 hours or so. So I wanted to record this now, but I'm gonna stop talking. And if you do enjoy, I hope you enjoy. Subscribe, like, and comment down below your favorite part of the video. And yeah, man, I love y'all. Drive safe and keep God in your favor, right? Let's go.
Damn. Yo, this shit's packed, I know that. Nice little lineup over this. Beautiful line. Yo, bro, this shit is packed tonight. Damn.
I pull up and switching in gear, and I see all my diamonds in clearly. You don't know what I make in a year. You can tell low weight, go walk in my coat. Fucking it, bitch, running it up. Been doing this shit
ISO
since my
STR.
brother ran up. But it's on the way, count here as they go. But I'm on the way, yeah. Better go get that cake up. Gotta find that bitch with no makeup, yeah. And she do everything that I say to ya. And diamonds all over that ring. Yeah, they been looking too clean. Yeah, designed up a certain degree. She talking to me. I bought a OP. She talking.
Beautiful.
On my own with a bad habit. That she taking her pain away. I don't even know what to say today. I'm planning on making it rain today. Star up above it be showing away. She taking my love and we going away.
This shit is insane.
One up and I pray today. And I got too many racks. Got too many racks in my ear.
Yo, bro.
Waking up every
What
morning,
the
I'm counting
fuck?
the years. Got new Maybach, couple of years. Got new Glock and I put in a purse. I feel like the X when I'm popping a perk. Brand new money when I'm in it. Brand new money go out. I just wanna go out. Got me influenced by this.
Gotta see, you feel me?
I'm throwing a fit. Hopping a fit, hopping a
But with a
wheel.
gang and
Sipping
shit,
on
you
lean,
feel
I'm
me?
taking your bitch. With a price tag on me, I'm finna
Sure.
do it. I get it a year and I'm making it a year. Sweating got my nigga straight up to your hoe. Take that back and I'm trading no more. Bitch, you know that I keep it on go. You know we sag. So my bitch, let's stay off the act. I fill my pocket with too many racks. Got too many racks in my ear. And I'm fucking that bitch in a mirror. I ain't talked to that bitch in a year. And I pull up and switch it in gear. And I see all my diamonds in clearly. You don't know what I make in a year.
Content game right now is crazy. That color is amazing, no cap.
Don't be scared. Don't be scared. I'm telling you. She's on tire because she has to be. She don't catch back. I promise.
as I can.
This car is so beautiful, bro. Oh man.
Taking my money from under the ground. Stacking real talk cause I'm getting the pounds. Give me a million, that's all that I count. When I get to the back, I be counting them out. She lying with all of the shit that I found. I heard all this shit, I've been playing you out. Give me some lean that don't have my account. My caddy nigga be asking for clout. And it hurt me so bad I just play this shit loud. Don't be playing this shit with me. Don't fuck with these bitches, they kill my emotion. I ran out of journey, I got a new chain. I just ran out of show, they be calling my name. I can show you next time you go on a flame. I just pull up my tongue, this shit go insane. Then I put on that turban to cover my name. I skirt on these niggas, they covered in flames. Got a watch for these niggas, it's something I'm blurry. Chanel got lean in my cup and we out by the two, so we going up. Cause I got all of these drugs, I got lean in the X and I purse, then I call out my nigga with bell. All these niggas will get him a Grammy, I told them well done and we're sending off pushing on well. Came from the bottom, my nigga, you never stepped up to a nigga who's got to slow this shit down.
You had taste. Yep, she told you. There we go. Bro, get this shit out of me, bruh. They say 20 on And it's like, look at it blue. Oh, you nasty. Yeah, bro. Everybody pull up, bro. Everybody pull up. Give me some content, bro. Give me some content. Bro, I couldn't even see what part that is, bro. Body kids. Like those. I just hit it up and told my block, yeah, nigga, don't care. We just hit it up, I'm really on my own. Watch out for these niggas, they be calling my phone. I got all this bank, I told them I wanna go. Bitch, I let it bang, I told them let it go. Tell them bitch, just leave me alone.
And we back home, just like that. First want to say though, you feel me? I had a very, very fun time at this car meet tonight. It was extremely packed. Like, I brought my girl with me, a couple friends pulled up, and everybody was there. Everybody had a great time. Like, bro, it's Friday the 13th. If you don't go, plus it's on a Friday, you know what I'm saying? So it's like, if you don't pull up, what are you doing? But everybody pulled up. I had a fun time. Like whenever people was leaving, more people pulled up. Like, as you see in that video, like, more people left, or like people left and then more people showed up. Like it was like that probably till like 12 a.m. There was gonna be some races too that I was gonna go to, but again, I was like, my girl came with me, and I asked her like, do you want to go see them? You know what I'm saying? Like, and she was like, where them at? But they're all the way like 40 minutes away, and they don't happen till like 1 a.m. So we just decided to go home around like 10 o'clock. But besides that though, had a great time. Shout out to everybody who pulled up too. If I do run some more race content, which I know y'all do, I'm gonna try to hit up Antonio, see if some shit going on. But yeah, man. Besides that though, I hope y'all enjoyed. Comment down below your favorite car in the comment section. All the songs is by Castro. I'm gonna leave his link in the description. Go check him out. If you did enjoy, like, subscribe, and turn on those notifications so you know when I post. And I'll see y'all on the next one, alright? Love y'all. Keep God in your favor. Be safe.
Nigga been turning me up. Nigga been high as fuck. I don't be giving no fucks. Nigga been perking me up. Yeah. It don't mean nothing to me. Taking that